Yo, it's Elliot at Farrell's Lead Farm. Do a little quick video today. It's Friday, so you know what that means. But anyway, I got a little new product alert. Midwest Industries has finally made a 1/2 by 36 9mm blast can. Pretty sweet. You know, you can stick them inside their slim rails or their combat rails. Anyway, probably not a big deal to most, but for all you subgun guys like myself, most of the good barrels out there are 1/2 by 36. Seems like the 1/2 by 28 barrels are kind of shitty. So anyway, without further ado, let's give this thing a little test run. Seems to work pretty good. Nice. Run them. Can't beat it with a stick mag. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty clever if I must say so myself. Shit. I don't know, not hardly any recoil, keeps the noise down, which is nice. I'm not a big fan of compensators on 9mm, but anyway, check them out. I saw they're available on their website. So 1/2 by 36 9mm blast cans. They're maybe like 40 bucks or something. I don't know. Anyway, fuck, it's cold. That is all. Carry on.